This is a screencast about the printer problem solving by Kayla, Christine, and Sophie. There are 3 parts. For the first part, we're going to talk about how to install a printer on both PC and Mac. The second part is about general printer problem solving, and the third part is about how to actually fix the problems on the printer.
So if you have a PC, to install a printer, open the Bonjour printer wizard and add the printer of your choice. If you have a Mac, go to System Preferences, click Print and Scan, click the plus button, and then add the printer of your choice. If your printing is too slow, the easiest way to speed up your printer is to lower the output quality for the things that you don't need to look professional. Draft mode is a very economical way of getting enough quality without wasting ink. If your printer comes with the option of adding additional RAM, you could do that as well. If your wireless is too slow, then you should probably connect your printer to an Ethernet cable to get more speed.
In general, if you find that your printer doesn't work, what should you do? The first step is to check the hardware. Many printing problems are caused by hardware that isn't set up properly. Here's some information about how to plug cables into the correct location and make sure the printer has power. First, to check if the cables are connected properly. Check to make sure the printer's electrical cord is plugged into the electrical outlet and that the printer cable is properly connected from the printer to the computer, typical USB cable and port. Next, check the power. Check to make sure the printer's power switch is turned on, or if you're printing to share a printer or a printer on a network, make sure that all necessary computer routers and printers are turned on. If your printer or other equipment is plugged into a surge protector or a backup power supply, make sure that hardware is plugged in and turned on as well. The step 2, use a troubleshooter. A troubleshooter is an automatic tool that can automatically fix some problems with your PC. The printing troubleshooter can fix problems with installing a printer, connecting to a printer, and errors with the printer spooler, software that temporarily stores print jobs on the PC's hard disk.
Here's a video about fixing a paper jam and replacing your ink cartridge and putting more paper into the printer. If the printer is jammed, open this compartment and check if there's any paper in here that caused the printer to jam. And if it's not in there, if your printer still doesn't work, check back here and see if there's any paper in here. And if that doesn't work, turn your printer off and then turn it on again, and then your printer should be running fine. If you want to change the paper or put more paper in, take some paper, come down here, and put it in here. There are 2 paper sizes for this printer, so you can also put the paper in here. And if you want to change the ink cartridge, which is in here, right here, ask Miss Leatress. Thank you for watching.